and we bestowed upon him Isaac. The Almighty God is speaking about his child through a grant that he bestowed, emphasizing the significance of this divine gift. Child is a precious gift. Well, that is not a win. That is why winning a child, earning a child, even making a child, and so on, are all significant experiences. These are terminologies that are not religious in nature. So basically, it's like God giving out free items. Yeehaw, who knows what we're trying to say, right? I mean, we might have some defense mechanisms like saying it in a different way, but, language expresses our thoughts. Perhaps they are intentionally using that manner of expression today, but they will transmit their words to their offspring. How will they convey their intentions? After a certain amount of time, those children will start to understand that statement, that expression, in the way that it is being presented. So, is that the most optimal option? Let's make sure to stay on solid and stable ground for our decision. Let's accurately reflect our way of thinking in our language. God has blessed him with a child, and God has graciously granted him the precious gift of a child. God has bestowed upon him a precious child. Is this type of pronunciation, this particular way of speaking, correct and appropriate? Did they secure the child, bring the child into existence, and experience the joy of having multiple children? In some manner, I intend that it is optimal to openly express the relationship with the Supreme Being, as it is the most accurate and breathtakingly beautiful. At least we have our thoughts. If everything else fails, let your language protect it if it slips, if it becomes secularized. Because things that are spoken in a language like this gradually become a habit as a motorized skill. At least he keeps it, like in the inshallah kind of way, for example. God has also blessed us with children here. The Almighty has bestowed children upon us. The Almighty has granted us children. We can even use the one in the Quran like that. The Almighty says hibe, not ihsan.